Guys, today we're gonna make the contact us page with RMTKIT Form. So you need to install RMTKIT first in your WordPress. So let's get started. First, you need to go to this button, Flexbox, and this one, and you need to add hero slider from RMTKIT. Drag and drop, and then after that you need to go to this one again, grid, make 2, and then add element. You need to add map first in here. Okay, not in here, map not in here. You need to use RMTKIT Form first here, and the map, and after that you need to edit form. So after you click edit form, you'll get this tab, and you need to choose new form, and here there is option for you to click save and edit, and you will get for a new window for Elementor. You need to wait first, and then after this you need to change or create your own menu like this one, like what necessary you need in your form. First text, after text, email, after email, telephone. You need to loading first. Email, need to do it again. Here's email. After email, need to put telephone, after telephone, maybe can be submit button. After that, you need to save and close it. Now you get it. Contact us. You need to just to edit